25 jaw-dropping discoveries that will leave you speechless. Imagine this: a tiny robot that can reproduce itself, a skull that rewrites human history, or a city lost under Egyptian sands for 3,000 years, discovered in the blink of an eye. Welcome to 25 jaw-dropping discoveries that'll flip your understanding of the world upside down. What if the oldest secrets of humanity were hiding right under our noses? In this video, I'm diving into the wildest finds science has ever uncovered. Think prehistoric forests and sinkholes, dinosaur legs frozen at the moment of extinction, and viruses waking up after 30,000 years. I'll reveal the top 3 mysteries you've been dying to know. How ancient humans imagined supernatural beings, what really happened to Amelia Earhart, and why a crystal might break physics itself. Buckle up, because this ride through the unknown will leave you speechless. Let's jump in with number 25. 25. The first living robots that can reproduce. What if I told you scientists built robots that can have babies? In 2020, US researchers created xenobots, tiny living machines made from African frog stem cells. These little wonders, smaller than a pinhead, shocked the world in 2021 when they started reproducing in a way never seen before. Using AI, scientists shaped them like mini Pac-Mans, letting them scoop up cells to make more xenobots. They can move, heal, and now multiply straight out of a sci-fi movie. Picture this: one day, these bots could clean our oceans or even fix our bodies. What do you think they'll do next? 24. The oldest known cave. Art just got older. Want to see what humans dreamed up 51,000 years ago? In 2019, archaeologists in Sulawesi, Indonesia, found cave art of human-like figures hunting pigs and buffalo, originally dated to 43,900 years old. A new method in 2025 pushed that back to 48,000 years, even hitting 51,200 for the oldest piece. That's 20,000 years older than Europe's famous cave paintings rewriting the story of human creativity. These drawings, with part human, part animal figures, hint at ancient supernatural beliefs. How wild is it to think our ancestors were artists and storytellers that long ago? 23rd. The mysterious dragon man skull. Could a single skull unravel the human family tree? Found near Harbin, China in 1933 but studied only recently, the dragon man skull might belong to a new species, Homo longi. This massive fossil with a big brain and low cheekbones dates between 138,000 and 309,000 years old. Unlike Neanderthals, it's closer to us Homo sapiens. Maybe even a missing link. Discovered by chance, it's shaking up everything we know about our evolution. What secrets do you think Dragon Man still hides? 22nd. A quantum time crystal that defies physics. Ever heard of a crystal that breaks time itself? In 2021, Google's quantum team created a time crystal, a bizarre new matter that flips between states forever without losing energy. Using the Sycamore processor, they kept it stable for 100 seconds, defying physics as we know it. Normally things wind down, but this keeps going like a perpetual motion machine. It could revolutionize quantum computing or unlock particle mysteries. What's the weirdest thing you think this could lead to? 21st. An almost perfectly preserved dinosaur leg. Picture this: a dinosaur leg caught mid-apocalypse. At the Tanis site in North Dakota, scientists found a nearly intact leg with skin from 66 million years ago. They believe it's from the exact moment an asteroid wiped out the dinosaurs. Fish nearby even choked on debris from the impact. Fossils like a skewered turtle and a pterosaur egg add to the chaos frozen in time. This snapshot of extinction is like nature's own disaster movie. What do you think died alongside this dino that day? Everything you know about history is about to get flipped upside down. We're only 5 discoveries in, and already the past is looking crazier than ever. Stick around, because it's about to get even wilder. 20. The prehistoric forest in a giant sinkhole. What's hiding 630 feet below China's surface? In 2022, scientists found a massive sinkhole with a pristine ancient forest at the bottom. Trees over 130 feet tall stretch towards sunlight, untouched for millennia in this hidden world. Big enough to swallow the Gateway Arch, it might house unknown species. This prehistoric ecosystem feels like stepping into Jurassic Park. Would you dare climb down to explore it? 19. The largest baby planet ever spotted. How big can a baby planet get? In 2021, astronomers snapped pics of AB Aurigae b, a forming planet 9 times Jupiter's size, 8 light-years away. This gas giant wannabe offers a rare peek at how planets like Saturn were born. Caught mid-creation around a distant star, it's rewriting planetary science. Its sheer scale, hundreds of thousands of miles wide, is mind-blowing. What do you think it'll grow up to be? 18. Australia's ancient eel farm. Did you know eels built an empire older than the pyramids? In southeastern Australia, the Gunditj Mara people carved a 6,600-year-old eel farm from volcanic rock, older than Egypt's wonders. Channels over 82 feet long trapped eels for food and trade, and parts still work today. A 2020 bushfire revealed even more of this UNESCO site. It's proof of ancient genius hiding in plain sight. What other lost inventions do you think are out there? 17. A 30,000-year-old giant virus revived. What's creepier than a virus waking up after 30,000 years? In Siberia, scientists revived Pythovirus sibericum, a giant virus from permafrost, still infectious to amoebas. At 1.5 micrometers, it's bigger than some bacteria. Frozen since the Ice Age. Found in melting ice, it sparks fears of deadlier viruses emerging as Earth warms. For now, it's harmless to us, but the clock's ticking. What do you think's still buried in the ice? 16th incredible artifacts in a submerged city. Ever wondered what lies under the Mediterranean? Off Israel's coast, the 8,900-year-old city of Atlit Yam sank 8,500 years ago, only rediscovered in 1984. In 2021, divers found stone tools, skeletons, and a water system, proof of a thriving Neolithic town. Once bustling with farmers and fishers, it's now 26 to 39 feet underwater. These relics show how advanced our ancestors were. What do you think sank this forgotten world? Imagine this scene: 1 million penguins swarming an icy island. Coming up next! You won't believe your eyes when we hit this one. Keep watching. 15. The hidden super colony of 1.5 million penguins. Penguins hiding where no one could find them. Until now. In 2018, NASA's satellite spotted guano stains, leading to 1.5 million Adelie penguins on Antarctica's Danger Islands. Untouched by humans or climate change, this mega colony stunned researchers in 2015. It's the biggest penguin party on the peninsula, thriving in secret. Scientists are now studying their every move. How many more secret colonies do you think are out there? 14. A hummingbird-sized dinosaur in amber. What's smaller than your thumb but fierce as a raptor? In 2020, Myanmar amber revealed Oculudentavis, a 99-million-year-old dinosaur skull the size of a hummingbird. With sharp teeth and big eyes, this tiny terror could pack a punch. Preserved perfectly, it's the smallest dino ever found. Paleontologists are still geeking out over this bite-sized beast. What's the tiniest predator you can imagine? 13. The land frozen beneath Antarctica's ice. What's bigger than Rhode Island and buried under ice? Under Antarctica, scientists found a landscape of rivers and hills frozen for 30 million years. Using satellites and radio waves, they mapped valleys stretching miles wide. Once lush with forests, it's now locked under 2-mile-thick ice. This lost world feels like Earth's hidden basement. What do you think lived there back then? 12th. Cave bear DNA unlocks an ancient lineage. Bears once ruled caves until we took over. In 2021, a 360,000-year-old cave bear genome from the Caucasus Mountains rewrote their story. These plant-eating giants split from brown and polar bears 1.5 million years ago. Human expansion pushed them out of caves, dooming them 25,000 years back. This is the oldest DNA from non-frozen bones ever sequenced. What other extinct beasts do you want to resurrect? 11th, remains of a fairy world in China. Ever seen a snake with a human head in bronze? In Sichuan, China, archaeologists dug up 13,000 Bronze Age artifacts, including a creepy snake-headed statue. Found in pits since the 1980s, 6 more were excavated by 2020. Gold masks, jade boxes, and altars hint at a mystical fairy world belief. These treasures dazzle after 3,000 years underground. What magic do you think they worshipped? Trapped in a camp, they hid chess pieces from the Nazis. Wait till you hear this! We're halfway through and the stakes are rising. Don't blink because the next one's a tearjerker. 10. A rare blue shrine in Pompeii. Blue walls in Pompeii. Rarer than gold. In May 2024, a stunning blue shrine popped up in Regio 9, untouched since the 79 CE eruption. Adorned with female figures and farming scenes, it was a sacred ritual space. The blue pigment, imported from Egypt, screams luxury. Miles and money away. Buried under ash, it's a time capsule of Roman life. What secrets do you think Pompeii is still hiding? 9. The long-lost wreck of the Lyonnais. A ship lost for 168 years. Found at last. In August 2024, hunters located the Lyonnais, a 260-ton steamer sunk in 1856 off Massachusetts. After hitting another ship, it took 114 lives, 200 miles out to sea. Buried deep in sand, its story's just beginning to surface. The team's gearing up to dig out more relics. What do you think they'll pull up next? 8. A lost city beneath Egypt's sands. A whole city under sand, bigger than you'd believe. In 2021, Luxor, Egypt, revealed the rise of Aten, a 3,000-year-old metropolis from Pharaoh Amenhotep III's reign. Streets, houses, and a bakery emerged, rivaling Tutankhamun's tomb in hype. Hidden for centuries, it's a daily life goldmine for historians. This finds rewriting Egypt's golden age. What do you think they ate in that bakery? 7. The hidden chess set of Auschwitz. Defiance in the darkest place. Can you guess what they risked? In March 2024, renovators at Auschwitz's Block 8 found 35 handmade chess pieces under the floor. Crafted from cardboard, prisoners hid them from Nazi guards. Playing could have meant death. Each rook and pawn tells a story of resilience. It's a rare glimpse into their fight for hope. What game would you play to survive? 6. A possible breakthrough in Amelia Earhart's mystery. Her plane's down there. Do you think they found it? In 2023, pilot Tony Romeo's team scanned near Howland Island, spotting a plane-like shape underwater. After $1 million in months, it matches Earhart's Lockheed Electra, lost in 1937. The blurry images tease a 90-year-old mystery's end. Romeo's heading back to confirm it soon. What do you think happened to Amelia that day? Could viruses from 20,000 years ago strike again? We're nearing the end, and the next ones might keep you up at night. Any guesses? 5. How the Trans-Eurasian language family spread. Did farming talk its way across Asia? A 2023 study traced languages like Japanese and Turkish to millet farmers in Northeast Asia 9,000 years ago. Spreading in 2 waves, they mixed with locals, adding wheat to their vocab. DNA, linguistics, and archaeology cracked this 5-group puzzle. It's wild how crops shaped words over thousands of miles. What language do you think started it all? 4. A very old family tree reconstructed. A 5,700-year-old family reunion. Who's invited? In Hazleton, UK, DNA from 35 Neolithic tomb skeletons revealed a 5-generation clan. One man fathered most, with 2 women's lines kept separate in the cairn. Outsider women joined via marriage, plus a few adopted kin. It's a prehistoric soap opera in bones. What family drama do you see playing out here? 3. Humans battling coronaviruses for 20,000 years. COVID's old news. 20,000 years old. Research shows ancient coronaviruses hit East Asia 900 generations ago. leaving DNA scars. Deadlier than today's strains, they pressured human survival back then. Neanderthal genes might have made Europeans weaker to them later. This history could fight future outbreaks. What ancient sickness do you think we're still carrying? 2. The world's first synthetic embryo. No sperm, no egg, just a heartbeat. In 2022, Israel's Weizmann Institute grew mouse embryos from stem cells, complete with brains and guts. These synthetic miracles mimic real development. No parents needed. They could cut animal testing or grow human tissues one day. It's a sci-fi leap that raises big questions. Should we be playing creator like this? 1. AI decodes thoughts of paralyzed people. What if AI could hear your silent thoughts? In May 2023, scientists used AI to translate brain scans of paralyzed, locked-in patients into words. Hearing "I don't have my license," the AI guessed, "She hasn't started driving." Not perfect, but it's a lifeline for those trapped in their bodies. This breakthrough could change lives overnight. What would you say if you couldn't speak? These 25 jaw-dropping finds, like xenobots, ancient viruses, and lost cities, teach us lessons for today. First, embrace innovation. Just as scientists push boundaries with AI and synthetic embryos, don't fear trying new ideas at work or home. Second, preserve history. The eel farms and cave art remind us to protect our roots. Maybe start documenting your family stories. Finally, stay curious. Earhart's mystery and time crystals show the world still full of unknowns. Explore a local museum or read up on a mystery. You never know what you'll uncover. Hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me, which mystery blew your mind the most? See you in the next one.